Okay, now see, good morning everyone. So today we will see Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, very famous scientist. We are using so many ways this Pythagoras theorem in different chapters, trigonometry, triangles. Okay, while solving the problems, we will use the property of Pythagoras. For the property, Pythagoras theorem is there. What is Pythagoras theorem? That we will see today. See, it is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, at angle B 90 degrees. For this, opposite is AC hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So now here, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This is statement just in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. See, in triangle ABC, at angle B 90 degrees now. See, opposite this is AC. So hypotenuse is AC. Okay, AC square equals to, see, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. We have to prove. So this statement over here. Okay, now see. So given in a right angled triangle, ABC angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, angle B equals to 90 degrees. What they gave, that we are writing. Okay, given this is, that's why given. So now to prove what we have to prove? AC square, hypotenuse square equals to side square, AB square plus BC square. This we have to prove. AB square equals to AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. We have to prove. So for this, I made a construction. See what we are doing, that all we are writing. I made a construction. What construction we will do? BD. See, from B to join B to D, where BD is perpendicular to AC. See, from B I made. Join B to D also we can write. Okay. Now see. Now proof. Now we are proving proof. First, what is Pythagoras theorem? Just now till now we discussing now. What is now Pythagoras theorem? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the squares of the sides of the sum. You can take. See, a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. At B 90 degrees, opposite to B, AC, it is hypotenuse. AC square equals to remaining two sides, AB square plus BC square. Okay, proof. Now we will see proof. See now, in triangle ADB, this triangle I am taking. In triangle ADB, in triangle A D triangle ADB and triangle, big triangle ABC. ABC. Okay, in triangle ADB and triangle ABC. See now, BAD is equals to CAB. You can tell now, angle BAD is equals to angle CAB. Angle CAB means in ADB triangle and ABC triangle, BAD CAB, angle BAD is equal to angle CAB. What is common over here? Angle A angle is common. That we are saying. Again, at D 90 degrees, at B also 90 degrees. So angle ADB is equals to, here see na, ADB at D 90 degrees. Yes or no? Angle ABC at B also 90 degrees na. So angle ABC 90 degrees. Okay na? Here both A angle I am saying. Here what I am saying? Angle A first. Now we can say that, so ADB triangle similar to, so triangle ADB triangle, okay, triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC. See, triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC. So proportional sides we can write now, means AD upon AB. See, AD upon AB. See, therefore AD upon AB is equals to, see the number in triangle ADB, AD upon AB. Okay, in big triangle, what is big triangle in ABC triangle? AB upon AC. AB upon AC. Yes or no? AB upon AC. From this we can write now AD into AC equals to AB into AB. Means AD into AC is equals to AB into AB. Okay? AB into AB means what? No. Nothing but AB square. Yes or no? Means AD into AC equals to AB square. This I am taking first equation. Okay? See what I did here? Triangle ABC. See, first, what we have to do? Hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square. Means AC square equals to, what we have to prove? AB square plus BC square we have to prove. So this, we made a construction from B to D, which is perpendicular to AC. I took ADB triangle. Again I took big triangle. Now you can guess, now what I will take? This triangle I took. The next triangle I will take is CDB triangle. Okay? Now, here, okay, in triangle, what is the next triangle? See here, CDB triangle. Yes or no? CDB. Yes or no? In triangle CDB and triangle next to what? Big triangle only. And triangle ABC. Same only. Now see, angle CDB. Angle CDB. Yes or no? Angle CDB is equals to angle CBA. What is this one? Angle CDB, angle CBA, I will say CDB. I Angle CBAIO means here 90 degrees, here 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. Next see now. Angle BCD. Angle BCD is equal to say BCD. We can tell BCA also. Otherwise ACB. Angle ACB. What is common, Nana? C angle is common. Is it clear, Nana? So now you see, from this what we will tell? So CDB, triangle CDB, similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Now from proportion we can write now. So here see now, CDB triangle similar to ABC triangle. So now DC upon BC is equal to, see now DC upon BC is equal to, this is in which triangle? Only CDB triangle I am saying. Okay, in ACB triangle see, ABC triangle what will do? BC upon BC, see now BC upon AC. Okay, BC upon AC. Now cross multiplication to what will come here, see? So from this DC into AC BC into BC what, Nana? BC square. Okay na? BC square. So now you see what we have to do actually, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. See, AB square came here and BC square came here. Okay, take second equation, 1 plus 2, equation 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 Nana means AB square plus BC square is equal to, what is AB square? AD into AC. So AD into AC plus AB square now we wrote, AD into AC we wrote, plus what is BC square now? DC into AC. What is common in this? AC is common. So AD plus DC into AC. AD plus DC into AC na? AD plus DC into AC. See, AD plus DC means AC. AD plus DC, that is AC. So AC into AC square. AC into AC square. See, AD plus DC na? AD plus DC means what? Say AD plus DC. See, AD plus DC, that is AC. So AC into AC. Okay, what we wrote? AB square plus BC square, see, is equals to, we wrote na, see na, AD plus BC, that is AC. AC into AC square. So AC into AC square. That we proved just now. So AB square plus BC square, AC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. So means what? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of squares on the other two sides. Simple, remember, hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square in our diagram. At B 90 degrees, that you have to observe. Very important. Very important.